Here at 593.50. Starting to consolidate. Yep. Move up to the 9.
Coach, I got a previous gold level at 593.
Oh, do you? Okay, thank you, partner. I'll put it on my screen right now. There's SPY touching the 9.
Coach, hot stock pick ONVO, hold it up.
Okay, thank you. Look at the 9. Oh, I got pushed hard on the 9. Oh my, look at those SPY. Ooh.
Order filled.
I got to go small. I can't take a bunch of money, unfortunately, because I'll blow right through the requirements of the combine. Good job.
Up 236%. Let's go.
Nice job. Great work.
Order filled.